Guys, the tax season has been started in India. Now, some of you, those who follow my channel regularly, would say, why I am bringing in Indian income tax topic here? Well, there is a reason. So, last year, I mean, I left India long ago, and after leaving India, I read that NRIs or OCIs, whatever, they don't have to file income tax in India. So, I had just left. But last year, somewhere I read that in order although it's not mandatory, but it is advisable if you have any income in India and if you're paying taxes, because it could be in any form, right? If you have fixed deposits, you might be paying TDS, and if you have some other income there, you are going to pay the tax. So it could be anything, right? Of course, income tax return is not mandatory for you, but even NRIs, OCIs are treated with the same tax bracket. So in case you uh, file taxes, maybe a lot could be returned back to you. And this had happened with me last year. And I regretted why I did not file taxes before. So this year now the tax season is on. And moreover, you get the same exemptions, like if you're paying for LIC premium, life insurance, and there are various other things. You can claim exemptions. There are limits, of course. So you can do that. That will be really helpful. In many cases, you can do it yourself, or you can take help from a tax consultant too. I take help from a tax consultant. It doesn't cost too much. Okay. So as the tax season has already started, I would suggest go ahead and file your taxes in India. The rest is up to you guys. I'm not a financial consultant, so if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.